Hello, I'm Martin Wensky-Stalling. I'm the organizer of TEDxChiang Mai. Our event is coming up on the 15th of November at Chiang Mai University UNISERV, which is on Niman Hemen Road. What's going to happen on that day is we are going to start at 8 o'clock. This is a TED tradition, start early. We've got so many things to share with you. You might know about TEDx talks, you watch them on YouTube, but coming to a real event is totally different because we have got talks, but we also got activities, workshops, exhibition, food and drinks and coffee. So a lot for you to discover. So the program on the 15th is from morning to evening, plus an after event reception.
So in each seminar that organized at UNISERV, we try to calculate for carbon footprint, and then we offset. So we try to find a way how can we reduce the carbon emission. We use the green energy. We have solar panel on our building, and we also separate all of the garbage. We try to initiate our project called Zero Waste project and connect with the Niman area.
And we have seen a lot of action happen over the last 15 years. And this year, we particularly want to create optimism, space for discussions about actions. What can we do for better Chiang Mai, to address issues in Chiang Mai and also beyond, and share our ideas with other people that are coming here. And so people need a ticket. They're not very expensive. You get a lot for it. I mentioned the food.
Okay, thank you so much. Good luck.
See you on the 15th. See you.